Hey girl, hey. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to ball on a budget with some press-on nails because the struggle is real right now. So I'm going to show you how to put these on.
I know it seems like, why is she trying to tell me how to put on press-on nails when it's really easy and you could just read the box? But I have a friend who needed help putting these on and she could not just read the box.
So I'm gonna just show you how I put mine on because I don't read the box. I just use common sense. That's what I do, but some people can't do that. So I'm gonna show you how to use press-on nails. So this is Kiss, the brand Kiss. It's a medium length. I usually get extra short, but they didn't have that today. So this is the medium length, so we're gonna try these out. Also feel free to check out my install of my 36-inch locks that I have in my hair. I'll put it in this video in the card above so you can take a look at how my hair was installed. Okay y'all, so I have the Kiss box. I'm gonna open it from the very beginning. So it comes with about 20, it says 28 nails. So it comes just like this. Make sure you take it out of the package. So, well, that sucked that they all fell out like that. But excuse my nails, y'all. Like they look real rough right now. This is the life of a nail biter. I bite my nails constantly, so that's why they look rough like this. So.
I don't care. Judge somebody else. Don't judge me.
You have your nails, and what I do is I usually just some of the nails they come with like a holder. Oh, I'll give you an example. Like these are from an old package I had. Some of them come with this thing on it and some of them don't. This package didn't come with it, so we just gonna have to work without it. But when it comes with this, it's a lot more helpful because you would just place the nail on your hand, and then once the nail glue dry, then you can just twist it off and it'll just be easy. But these don't have that, so we're just gonna work with it. So the first thing that I do is I measure my nails with all the nails that they give me. So I have a pinky here. Seems like my pinky is matched up, and that seems like it's measured to the right length. So I'm gonna set that aside. All right, excuse my vanity for being so dirty right now, but once I measure each nail, so I have my pinky, my ring finger, my middle finger, my pointer, and my thumb. So I have it on each hand. So once I do that, then I go in and put the glue on. I use the glue that comes in the packaging. I don't know the name of this glue, but this is what comes in the normal packaging. So that's what I go ahead and use and put them on. So using the glue that comes in the packaging, I put it on. I'm going to start with my pinky. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to put this on my left. I'm just going to put, I use a lot of glue because I want to make sure that it gets all on my nail. I do a lot of washing of dishes, and I know when you're in the shower, either way, your hands get wet. So once you have enough glue on there, then I just go ahead and place it on my finger, and I press down as hard as I can. I hold for about 10 seconds. So once that's on, so then you have a pinky on. So I'll show you when I finish everything. Okay, so once all the nails are on, as you can see, they're all on. They look really good, to be honest, but I usually go in with a file, fingernail file. It comes with a fingernail file in the package, but I have my own fingernail file that I just use. It's a Kiss brand fingernail file, nothing fancy. I just go and it's like little ridges that's usually, they come on the nail. Well, you can see it right here, like the little ridge. I like to file just a little bit of the nail to get that ridge to go away. So once you file it, then it's good. And I just do that on all of them, just so that that's gone. So I have one hand completed, and now I'm gonna go through and do my other hand. So I have both hands completed, and that is pretty much a little basic tutorial on how to put on press-ons. It's easy. I can put the brand of press-ons that I just used in the description box, and yeah. Okay, so that sums up my video as far as doing press-ons. So these are the end results of my press-on nails. So this is how my nails look. I think they look pretty good, pretty decent. If somebody's not all up in your nails, then, you know.
But if they get up close, yeah, they gonna see some stuff.
But I think these nails is pretty good. It's what we gotta do for right now until stuff open back up. We're all in quarantine, or supposed to be. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll be back.